This is Leonard from T.O.B, and that is Thinking Outside the Box. And we're coming from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And as you know, Gary and I did kind of split up. We're in different states now. But he's still part of T.O.B because he did a lot of painting for me. And he painted this 2015 Corvette Stingray into an absolute beautiful police car. We put Gotham City Police tags on it. And there's some other things we did, thinking outside the box. First, at the front, we have a scratch-built push bar made from sprues and some other things. We also have some police equipment in there. We'll hopefully get a good shot of that. So we put some police equipment in and made it sure it screamed police. And of course, we put I put my lights in here. All my lights come from Ebb's Design, except the internal light visor, and that comes from West Coast Collectibles. It runs on a 9-volt battery, of course, has full takedown modes, has 13 patterns, and it cycles through the flashing patterns. And it came out absolutely stunning as a nice complement to this. And as you know, we put sound modules in it, and let's see what's on this sound module.
GCPD, get out of the car. Get your hands up. Get your hands up now. Get out of the car. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
So this Gotham City Police Pursuer came out absolutely fantastic. Thanks to Gary and the Gary's Paint Booth. Thanks to Ebbs Design and all their lights and West Coast Collectibles. You can see their link on the description on both of them. And we have a YouTube channel, T.O.B. Modeling on YouTube. And we're also on Facebook, T.O.B. Modeling on Facebook. So continue to join us. Same Gotham time, same Gotham channel.